Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to another episode of Murphy Street Eats. Today we are headed out to the north shore of Oahu for some famous Kahuku Shrimp Truck. So let's start to make our way. The drive up is as scenic and beautiful as you can get. You can really feel yourself being torn away from modern technology as stone buildings give way to wooden houses and sandy coastlines.
Can I get the hot shrimp and the Diet Coke? Thank you.
Can I get a hot shrimp or water? I'm a passionate. Can I do a hot shrimp as well with Coke and a water as well, please? Thank you.
We all ordered the hot shrimp plate, which is garlic shrimp, infused with Korean red chilies in order to make it a little spicier.
Thank you.
Did you see the rendering prototype Baby Yoda drawings they had?
No.
Oh my god, they were hideous.
Oh yeah?
I mean, one of them wasn't horrible. It just looked like literally a Yoda, but younger. But it wouldn't have caught on as mainstream.
Well, the whole Baby Yoda thing is one of those, that like, it's like the Ewoks where it brought women into it too, you know? So, like women who don't like Star Wars too. And kids, yeah. Yeah.
But I feel like the parents liked it more than even the kids.
Yeah.
The place I go to, it's literally just like the butter and garlic stuff with like chili oil and
Well, that's not bad. That sounds good.
that Chinese garlic chili stuff in it.
The way we make our garlic stuff at home, or like the way my dad does it,
Yeah.
you batter it in mayonnaise and sriracha and garlic. Mix it in the fat of the pan.
Oh.
It's super good.
I just have a thing about heating up sriracha.
Oh, you like it plain?
And, well, sriracha and mayonnaise, excuse me. Not caramel. I always think the right one's caramel.
I was just about to be like, just like spicy ahi, but yeah. You don't need ahi.
I don't.
You eat any kind of fish?
You eat crab though, yeah?
Yep. Crustaceans,
Mollusks.
mollusks. Yeah, exactly.
Mussels, clams, oysters, all of that.
Amen.
Raw oysters.
Beef,
If it tastes good, sure.
you don't eat food?
I will. I don't appreciate it as much as other people. So ordinarily, if I'm with somebody who appreciates it more, I give it.
Same there.
I think opihi is good, but it's not like the most amazing thing. Everyone, people are like, oh.
Yeah.
I'm like, that's good.
What about food?
No, hard pass on that. Not saying I don't eat it. It just
I've tried it and I'll never try it again.
Yeah, it just doesn't look or sound appetizing to me.
See, when I went to Japan and met up with Yoko,
Yeah.
we took us to sushi restaurant, and like, you gotta try uni, and I'm like, okay, and I didn't want to, upset their culture or whatever. Try that. She goes, how do you like it? I'm like,
I do.
like you're literally chewing off the reef.
Well, that's what it is.
Just had a seat like a ocean taste.
Yeah. Well, pea is kind of the same.
The texture was just not the greatest.
Yeah. We were at Hubble's one time, and this guy was picking banana and eating it right there.
Just raw.
Yeah. Ocean water seasoned.
Yeah, I just wasn't a big fan of the flavor.
Of uni.
I didn't dislike it, but I was just like, eh. I don't get the huge appeal.
I wanted to try fugu, but it didn't kind
Want to roll the dice, huh? Brunch? You want to make it count? You heard what he said?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm asking Zito because Zito had no reaction, which I'm surprised at.
Because I eat everything.
Well, it's not about how disgusting it is. It's
No,
about
the dying.
yeah.
I mean, the percentage is pretty low that you'd actually die. There's some people who die every year.
Are you living in the same period of time that I'm living in right now? It's enough.
It's like driving. I bet it's similar odds.
So, yeah.
of my mouth is on fire.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not, and that's why I like it too, because it's not like grotesquely spicy.
It's maybe a tiny bit spicier than Fumi's one that I get.
Mm-hmm.
But I think it gets that extra kick from the
It's kind of like Cajun.
Korean.
Red chilies. Nicely done too.
Yeah, they had that dried Korean chili.
Mm-hmm.
It's not a tiny little flake.
Yeah.
Love that stuff.
I love it too.
Try making it like this at home one day. Well, make my usual spicy garlic, but then add like the gochujang and then try it with the dried Korean chili.
Well, I try to tell my friends all the time when they come down from like California and stuff, and they're all like, "Oh my god, gotta try it to run." Like, do that if that's what you feel like you need to do. But if you want to try good shrimp,
I always take them to Fumi's. I really enjoy Fumi's.
Yeah, food is good.
Their shrimp always have that nice little like crisp to it when you bite it.
Yeah.
also it's right on the water, right? It's like right there, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
That's good. I'm glad I tried this. I would come back.
Good.
If I'm feeling more Asian-y, I'd hit up this one. The classic, go to Fumi's.
They opened Giovanni's at town too.
Yeah, I saw that. I wonder if it's the same.
With the savory portion of our eating day done, we are now in search of the sweet. And for that, we head to Waikele for some Mountain Magic shave ice.
This one Pokemon is just milk. Milk, there's an apple.
Is it Mirukuman?
No, it's like milk cryer.
Honeydew cream with milk cap and mochi, please.
How much size for that?
Large, please. Mahalo. Appreciate you. Thank you.
Reasonably priced and delicious Mountain Magic is one of the best on the islands. So that'll wrap it up for this episode of Murphy Street Eats. You can catch us on Spreaker, Apple Podcasts, or iHeartRadio. Also catch us on YouTube at Murphy Street Productions. Other than that, don't forget your slippers.